how to use Webflow. Webflow tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create, collaborate and scale your own website using Webflow. So let's get started. Simply what you have to do is simply go to webflow.com and you will land right here on this platform. Webflow allows you to create your own website with all of the tools and features. There are hundreds of templates to choose from. You can work on the SEO of your website, create an online store, blog, portfolio, work website, or maybe a product website. You can simply go ahead and get started with Webflow. It's free. Simply click right here and you will be able to sign in with your Google account. Once you sign up for Webflow, this is where you will land. This is our dashboard of Webflow and you will be able to find all of the templates right here. So this is my dashboard. This is going to be showcase, designers, learn and resources. It is a personal account that I have created and now I will be able to create my own website right here. When it comes to creating websites, we get templates for portfolios, business, multi-purpose, then we have blogs, agencies, food blogs, and more. So I'm gonna go to these templates right here and select one. So let's go to view all. You can also filter your search by just entering the niche you're looking for. So I'm looking for a template to create a website for my photography blog. So I think this template is pretty good. It is for photography. So I'm going to select this template right here. You can check the preview for the template. It looks pretty good. So now I will simply go ahead and use it, or I can preview it in browser or preview it in designer. So I'm going to use this template. Now you simply have to click on create site and give your site a name. So I will give it this name. So this is our site template that I have selected and it's a pretty basic template. That's why I selected it. And of course it's customizable and I will be able to customize it the way I want to. This is our editor that we get on Webflow. I will be able to find all of the options right here, such as add option that allows us to add different elements such as headings, layouts, and if I go to elements right here, so in elements, I can simply add CMS, media, then we have basics such as adding buttons and links. Then we have this option right here, which is symbols that will allow you to add sidebars, footer, and navigation. To create a new symbol, you will simply click right here. Then we have our page option right here and you can see right now this website has all of these pages: home, about, and blog. And then we have some of these CMS collection pages such as photo album, template, photo blocks, and then of course utility pages of password and 404. So these are all pages. To create a new page, I will simply click right here, or to create a new folder, you will click in here. I will actually show you all of the features. First, I'm just giving you a tour around. Then we have CMS collection. And then we have our store. If you want to add a store page, you can also do that. And then, of course, we have our assets where you will be able to find all of the photos that you have uploaded or the photos that you're using on your website. So these are all the assets that are in my website right now, and I can use different images and add different photos right here. So now let's start. I will simply go back to pages first, and to add a new page you simply click on this option right here and it allows you to create a new page. To delete a page, for example, I can delete this page right here because I'm not asking people to create a site. So what you need to do is you will simply click right here. So in here I can also go ahead and add a new folder. So these are my different pages, like home, this is the home page. Then we have an about page. If I want to go to about, then it will take me right here. And then we have our other pages such as my blog page. So this is like a photography blog that I want to create. So these are different pages that I have right now, and I'm actually happy with the pages. I'm gonna keep these pages. Now I will simply go to my home. In home, you can see right here, this is my page and this is the site name. So I will select this right here. So this is our navigation. and you can edit your navigation anytime you want to. So this is our navigation bar. You can see right here it has headings, it has block links. So this is really easy for us if you're using a template. So you don't have to go ahead and start everything from the scratch. You can simply go ahead and click right here, go to navigation link, and you will be able to add a navigation link of your different pages that you have. So this is our navigation. So I will simply go back. So if you want to change an image, you can simply go to media right here, select your image, and then you will drag it and drop it right here. And that image will be changed. You can see right here. That will be added. I actually selected more. So the image will be added right here where you want to add it. If you want to add different elements to your website, that's the important part. You can simply go ahead and go to, maybe let's go ahead and add a button. So you will simply drag it and drop it right here, and a new button will be added. And after that, you can actually go ahead and move it wherever you want to. This is kind of like the alignment needs to be adjusted, so I'm going to go ahead and move it. Similarly, you can go ahead and add bunch of different elements. If you want to add an image, you will simply drag it, drop it right here, and a new image section will be added. Then similarly, you can change the alignment, width, load, text, choose an image from here. When you click on choose image, then you can select image from your media that you have. Let's say that I want to select this one, and that image will be added. Once you select an element, let's say I select this one, you will find these settings right here, and the design can be changed from here. It looks like a little complicated website to kind of like work on and create your own website, but it's not that hard once you get used to it. So you will be able to customize your width, height, alt text, load, everything right here. And once you're done with the website, I'm not doing that much with my template right here because I'm just creating a demo website and I just want to show you around. Similarly, you can just switch between your pages and go to other pages such as your about and your blog, and you can edit the text. Of course, simply select the text and you will be able to delete it and then add your text. Type in your text and you will be able to edit the text. You can add photos in this section as well. You can also get a preview of your website on a mobile phone, tablet, and others. Of course, you will customize your website the way you want to, and you will enter all of the information. Once you're done, you will simply click on publish and you will be able to get your own custom domain, or for now you can just publish your website on your dashboard and you can save it as well. And this is the option. Simply select publish, click on publish to selected domains, and your website will be published, and you will be able to create a very professional website of your own with Webflow. And then you will be able to run your own blog or maybe create an online store. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create a website with Webflow. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.